Growing pansies, you expect a decent display for as long as possible. The thing is that if for some reason they don't produce a lot of flowers, there can be several factors that actually affect the flowering performance. First of all, remember they do like plenty of light. They hate the shade, and ideally they want about 6 hours of sunlight a day, which is asking a bit in the winter. So plenty of sunlight, or as much as you can possibly give them. The other thing is that if they're waterlogged, they don't like that. But also, have they been fed? Potash is ideal for encouraging plants to produce flowers and seeds. So if you give them some potash, that can help. And then finally, of course, there's the dreaded pests and diseases. There are one or two which can actually affect the plants. Sometimes the hardier aphids that you sometimes get through the winter in a sheltered spot, they can feed on the plants. That can weaken them and that'll stop them flowering. There's also the dreaded vine weevil that will chew away at the roots. But it could be, if they're not flowering, it could be one or all of those if you're really unlucky, and that will affect how well they flower or not. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.